The last welcome words are dedicated to our Dean, Professor Joanna Ostoruch Kamińska. Also, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, dear Professor. I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of the community of Sciences, University of Warmia and Mazury in Olsztyn. You mentioned so many information, so many things, why this conference and our meetings are important. So I'm not going to repeat it. But I'm going to mention two other things which are connected with two important words, in my opinion, which are relations and values. What is important in our faculty, these are relations, social relations, work relations, human relations. And this kind of meetings, this kind of conferences are important not only because we are talking about important things, because we are discussing issues and because we are learning from each other. But also it is important that we have the possibility to know each other better, to understand the worlds, social worlds of which we are living in. And because we can learn how our cultures are creating people and societies living in this specific country and living in these nations. And that's why these kind of meetings are important, because this is a platform for learning and for building common mutual understanding, which is very important in this crisis world nowadays. So relations, this is the first word. And the second one is values. As Vice Chancellor said about diversity, equity, these are values which are important to create good, positive social relations, especially in the time of crisis, in the time of war, in the time of lack of understanding of each other, in the time of lack of tolerance. So those values, as you mentioned, like respect, for equity, equality, and humans' dignity. These are values which are important for the community of Faculty of Social Sciences, which are important for social researchers, and which are important also for the people living nowadays. So I congratulate and thank to the organizers of this conference, to those people working in the Institute of Political Science for understanding what is important nowadays and for organizing this kind of meetings, which this conference is. I'm very grateful and thank you for your work and for your understanding. And I wish all of you fruitful discussions, good time of being together, and good time of learning from each other. And I'm sure that this kind of time spending together will create better future for all of us, not only as learners, but also as a human being. Welcome to Faculty of Social Sciences at the University of Warmia and Mazury. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much for a so important message to not only to our community, but broader to the, I can say, to all human beings.